double it dark little. The nine ye ever had taken or tatami. The begin mother. Bakala pola at the Dukana, you are glue tawa. No, that Dukana, you are glue tani. Ta, with a mata curse. The heba with it up tight up no. Curse for disobedience. Curse for disobedience. Because okay, you don't disobedient to God, you should be cursed. No? You will be cursed. No? This means I want to talk about this Israel story. They has a great story. Okay, they has so many should be obeyed to God. They don't obey. They will realize a misery. Okay, I got it back right now. Okay, you don't you don't have to obey to the gods. You should be punished. Okay, I want to read for you is the not obey disobedient people. However, if you do not obey the Lord your God and do not carefully follow all his commands and the decrees I am give to you today. Okay. Bây giờ mà nó mới tập bỏ thuê bà nó mới tập bỏ thuê bà đó nó mới tập cái nào bà đó nó mới bỏ thuê tí tí bà bà ní à tiêu đó là nó trả lời chậm mơ là nè trả lời chỉ khi là nè nó mới tập mà khi bà ní nó đã từng nhảy all the curse we come upon you and overtake you bây giờ mà nó ta khơi là cái hệ bà là khơi là cái gì nó tiêu là nó ta khơi là cái bà là cái gì nè ở ngoài ta khi đó cái nào do begitu tak keheban ale tak kota ketan tak patil phalo you will be cursed in the city begitu mata kota keheban ale begitu mala net do the war okay and cursed in the country no learn the chinako no the chinako your basket and your needed trap will be cursed no panic kala kesine ka bawa kala kesilo the fruits of your womb will be cursed no begitu malan na clean thala na first kone away begitu malan ka bata mahaw ko sikono no the fruits no pain and the core of your land and the cave of your heart and your land or your flaws everything no na taputa leader na sapo ko po no na tamuta bo de pa ka hawo ko khale no you will be cursed when you come in a curse when you go no phane no phane le pu la la ne ta ka ba do na ta phane no o tu pu la la ne ta ka curse da ne ba no begitu nama ta ba do ba ti kle kasi no the Lord will send on you curse confusion and rebuke in anything you put your hand to no tala na pho na para na suru ta kle kasi ne kasa yua kamahawa kwe do ka kiro wala na tasukumo le confuse ne le tana po wa ke ko le lo no pain ne tewada dile until you are destroyed and come to sudden ruin because of the evil you had done and forsake him no ta khala le na ma ta le ta to te pha apune no the Lord will plunge you in the disease until he has destroyed you from the lands you are entering to possess. The Lord will strike you with wasting disease with forever and the inflammation with the scorches heat and drop with blank and the midro no takala kesimo no awani kasayua kamahawa gwi no kasayua pagdama tadulo he jule tilo ba no takala kesine ka ba phane kala kesilo no ke ta phita ma de ba tilo pagdama ne ka ba ta ba so no ne ka ba ta na ta pho phane siko no the sky over your heads will be broken the ground no beneath your iron no begitu mala panisiko no the Lord will turn the rain of your country into dust and the powder เนาะไปแล้วก็ใส่อยู่กับมาไว้ละเนาะในที่นั้นก็เนาะจะดูเฮสิโลบ้าเนาะในที่ข้อนี้ก็เลิกไปแล้วไปก็จะมาเลยเนาะไปก็จะมาเลยเนาะอย่าพักมือมันเนาะพักมือเนาะ As we come down from the skin and turn your this story เนาะก็ว่านี่เนาะสกีแล้วแต่เราควรตักขึ้นเลยแค่เส้นเนี่ยจุดละก็เจอเนาะตักกับมาหาว่าคุยขึ้นเลยแค่เส้นไม่แต่ดูกันเอาเนาะ The Lord will curse you to be defeated before your enemy เนาะแล้วแต่เราควรจะเราก็ใส่อยู่นี่กับมาหาว่าคุยนะตักขึ้นเลยไปเจอมาแล้วนะเนาะว่าแล้วเฮมมาหาว่านะที่ผ่าน not enemy not the clear hemati no ne do not hemati ka sa ka mahago kana you will come at them from one direction but flees from them in seven no I want to say on ne no number na ka hello clear bo do na ma ke chi da le clear nui bo ni lo no le ta na so khu ta na pa ka su ko no pa le disobedient no disobedient ne ma plot ta no disobedient no ta du kana yu a ki ta ba ti pha ni เนาะแต่พอทุกอย่างจะเกี่ยวกับปุ่มที่ผ่านเนาะเอาไว้ในบัฟโลตัสก็เนาะแค่นี้เนาะเปิดเจอจะมาเนาะ and you will become and things เนาะ horror to all the kingdom on earth เนาะแค่นี้เนาะในการเกี่ยวกับปวดกลือเนาะเลือสอบปากกลือกลือคลานี่เนาะในการเกี่ยวกับสอบปากกลือเลือมันจะไหนเนาะเลือเกี่ยวกับเนาะเป็นตะโคตะเข็นนั่นนะคือตีเลือที่ก็ได้ผ่านการในเพจเลือกเขาคุยกันในเกี่ยวกับดินนี่เนาะ use cupcakes will be foods for all the birds all the ales and the beasts of the earth เนาะวันนี้ในตาขึ้นเลยคือสิ่งนี้เวลาเกี่ยวกับตาเลยทุกผู้รีบผู้ติดผ่าเนาะโดยกิจการมาสับก็ผู้ติดผ่าอุลาคุยกันเนาะ and there will be no one for frightened than away เนาะporque tieneมาดึกอามาเนาะแต่ก็น่าขึ้นนะเนาะก็หายแล้วนะ The Lord will afflict you and a one of Egypt and with torn เนาะ first turning scourge and each from the which cannot be curious porque tieneมาตักเก็บบ้ากันเนาะ high เนาะตักเก็บบ้ากันนะแค่เลยก็สิแล้วเนาะporque tieneมาตักแต่มีเนี่ยแค่เลยก็สิเนาะThe Lord will afflict you with meanness, blindness, and the confusion of mind. นะพวกเจ้าหนุ่มละเอาไว้ตาพอตัววันด้วยตาเล่นเนี่ยจะที่เราบ้านเนาะตาเกล้าว่าเราเนี่ยเนี่ยตาหน้าเปิดจ้าเราว่าแค่เลยก็เสียมันเนาะเอาไว้เล่นเนี่ยตาสุกมุกเนี่ยตัวอ้วนเนาะ and maidens you will grow about like the blind man in the dark เนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยเกล้าก็ได้กี่เลยเนี่ยนอกจากเนี่ยซื้อที่ผ่านเนี่ยเกล้าก็จะพอเราจะที่เราว่าพออุลตะเกกละ you will be unsuccessful in everything you do เนาะเพราะฉะนั้นตาพิจารณาแล้วมาละจะมีละลานี่เนาะจะมีละลานี่เนาะจะมีละลานี่เพราะฉะนั้นมาละเกล้า unsuccessful สิได้เนาะเอาว่าเกล้าลู่ทอดตาโน้ตมีบ้างเนาะตาเล่นมาละจะมีละลาลู่ทอดเนาะแต่เนี่ยคุยกันเนาะ day after day you will be oppressed and the robbed with no one to rescue you เนาะเพราะฉะนั้นมันก็เกี่ยวเนาะจะหนีว่าจะหนีเนี่ยเนาะนับว่าสมัยดาเดี๋ยวเพราะฉะนั้นมันจะโคตรแค่ติดว่าเรื่องมันก็มาเห็นมาเสนอว่า no one to rescue you เนาะว่าเห็นมาเสนอตัวอุลมาเนาะเพราะฉะนั้นมันเนาะokay brother have a good day too เนาะYou will be pledged to be married to a woman, but another will take her and reverse her. เพราะฉะนั้นนักฮีน้ำมามันภาษาหน้ากินเนี่ยอากาศก็สิคนเนี่ยนักฮีกินน้ำมาแล้วเนาะ You will build a house, but you will not live in it เนาะนักที่เราฮีมันภาษาหน้ากินเนี่ยโอ้ไปฮีเพลนเนี่ยสิวะเนาะ You will plant and vineyards, but you will not even begin to enjoy its food เนาะเพราะฉะนั้นนักตู้เราละสเปทูภาษาหน้ากินเนี่ยนักตู้เราวิเนี่ยนักตัวว่านักตาคือว่าเลยนักสเปทุติภาพบ้าเนาะ Your eyes will be slanted before your eye เนาะเพราะฉะนั้นมาแล้วนักสับข้อคนเนี่ยตาบ้าหินกุยสิก่อนเลย no learn the menya sikolo but you will eat not eat no when the sikon and the on the over to normy no your donkey will be forcibly take from use and will not be returned no but there ma na the thing of put and the pamishini no but a hikina no tanki when no but a haki son in nasikolo no you sheep will be give to our your enemy no pagida ma na to dir phase ko ne ba hi wala su pagida no la na du na da su pu no your enemy and no one will rescue them no pagida margama tele masyo lo ba no margama tele masyo aware lo ba no your son and your daughter will give to another nation no when in the pomu do na po kwa dir pa ta ba hi lo su tiko agam no le tiko agari and you will wear out your eye watching for them day after day no pagite no mala talon na kwa or le takiti paro ne tu lo with sala buile ne takwa tani matani no powerless to lift no and hand pagite no pagite no tasuta ka mola a ulo ne subne le sushir ka pani pagite no to ulo ba no powerless no the people that you do not know will eat what you learn and labor produce no pagite mala pakanyo te pan at fi ne finya o batir pano ne finya o batir pan aware te pan ke hine ne lon ne talota klero ke hine na ne tafuta lile ne a heto te pan and you will have nothing but curious a portion of your day no pagite man ne over ta no de mi lo ma le ne ta mu ne namba kwasemala no oppression na nama kwasemala na na ta tubado sabado tenemade no the size you see we drive you mad no pagite mala tenemade ne tita ne kero la ta tu ta no the Lord will afflict your need and less will pay for born no while theirs cannot be cured experience from the sole of your feet and the top of your head no when emi ta la pagite no mala ka sa ywa kama sa na su na khote pha no do kala ka se mo no da na khota ki pha kala ka se no the Lord will drive you and the king you set over you to a nation no unknown to you or your father pagite no mala ka sa ywa ka do ha tho kun na no lo pagite no lo so pa ti pha ga do ka mo lo na lo chi ko ga de bi no do pagite no mala no na mo na pa ne de sinya na lo ba no sinya no ba there you will worship other god no when it on ka bu tho ba ro ta bu ta ba la aga ne lo no hi no ne ka bu tho ba ro ta bu ta ba la aga sik ko lo no le ta no ku da no painting a devil no gods of wood and stone kita kasayala thi do pagiten mala no kasayala thi do pagiten lum no stone no le you will be can and thin of horrible and objects for scorn no ridiculous kita mana awan sikona naka oro ta pagiten mala no ta bakwaseme nanakiki no to all the nation where the Lord will drive you no pagite na la ha ko dal plam no kasaya ka mola na le na ta mu pu ne lo no when kasaya ka shola na pa ne you will so much sit and feel but you will have the leader no pagite na mala na ka tu lo phla lo da basana ki ne ki do ne ba ta ke just lo because locusts will divorce it no pagite mala kora la no locus sidane no pagite mala pagite temandele no kora la dwe mi no dwe te pha no ka ke maha ko kwen tam no you will plant the vineyards and cultivate them but you will not drink the wine or gathering them grapes no pagite mala naka tu lo phla lo no pagite sepe mu basana ki ni no naka takaba maha ko ki lo pagite na to wa le no na sepe achi ba no pagite ma din mo no because one will be eaten no but anyway one ink over that kind of you will have olive tree no throughout your country but you will not use the wine because your olives will be dropped off no but no when it's sick on no so no but no solo naka tulo no basa naka tulo problem basa let the do neba tatit pano bakum and the tuti pan aklosa no taputani the pakane talosa no talosa one long you will have some and daughter but you will not keep them no naka on the pool don the ma basa naki no and the pool quad on the pumu no basa naki when na the pawala in the Super Bowl not all in the Super Bowl because they will go into the carpet no captivity let us look at where kabal level su no talo love talo no swarm of locusts will take over all the trees and the course of your land of mana when you know sabako with it pane sabako with it baka hiwe no baka then ta tu tamuta bodit pan locust no mana no me it no lamb to live among you will raise above you higher and higher mana follow a person the party no aware at our money with it all a popcorn no higher and higher but no pain but you will sink lower and lower no only negative dollar tapala the cho by the cho no he will learn to you no but aware the party aware no pretend mana aka dulu ntuta but you will not learn to him no then khuda the luba awatita no he will be the head no awaka kira na khunana but you will be the tail no na kira ta amen no then khuda na pakrasuk mo pami you are not obey not disobey to God you will be combat happening to Israel like this no all these curses we can upon you. They will pursue you to overtake you until you are destroyers. No, because you did not obey the Lord your God and observe the command and decrees He gave you. That do can not say you are glue taba kutaroni, no, Kasayua atatu tatawa kuni, no takama hawa kudo takama, no, but takama, pre-pra with the color casino. Any Pathinya Sikolo, no? They will be a sign and a wonder to you and your descendants forever, no? Learn the one, no? Kakero or ta, Pagata no? Agile to what it one, no? Because you did not serve the Lord your God joyfully and gladly in the time, no? Prosperity, no? Pagata no, not pagtama na buto paro kasayuan te hi kasayuala tatu ta khu no when a lolo popwe ba khu tarone no pagtana land taputali khalo ba khu tarone no and gladly in the time no prosperity no pagtana awani no therefore in hungers and thirst no pagtana la ta wi ta no ta authority in the nakedness and the dries property you will serve the enemy the Lord sent against you no pagitana mala nekekewa kuma no when in kaba mawara no na pagitana man du na data pita makha the casino aware no kasajwa pagitana mala thodana hunilo not the gods against you he will put an iron yoke no pagitana mala awaka parona la ta pita mala khachi iron pagitana mala no tap, not tap. Put it on your neck until he destroys you. Lena kobolo no. Lena kobolo aware kamana dile na hawad sunilo. The law will bring a nation against you from far away. No, put it on Makasaya Kesonina. Le hoku, le akama hawana, no, put it on akama hawakuna. No, Kasayua, no, put it on my thodana, let tagi when it will. No, aware come to sơn from the end of the earth we don't low haku for the end of the earth low like an eagle swamping down no a nation those language you will not understand no Peter loga the eager no all the top ko well lola ta phala no let ta khu ta lo ne no pwa ka le pwa listen those language you will not understand see that no the how cool attack to the pan ta na pa ba no Peter no fire you know faithful looking nation without respect for the no respect for the old or pity for the young no begitu mana no pa begitu mana pada yo pakai no kita no kuda na they will divorce the young of your levators and the course of your land until you are destroyed no awak tak ba mahal aku ke lekas selita kita kita pa lan na pu le atas saat itu pa na dubu tu kita pakai lagi sila no they will leave you no grain no pada do ana ba no grain no pada do ana ba ta tu ta puna ma tadi hola ti pa no new wine or no any covers or your horse or lamb or your flocks no pada do osiko no begitu mala no pada do ona ba no pada do hina ba su siko ba dollar na metal siko ba dollar na sapo ko siko ba no pane do begitu ma until you are no ruling no begitu mala taba person who yana kala kasi pane no they will lay siege to all the cities no throughout your land until the highest fortifying will no walls in which you transfer down no I want taka kwana no taka kwana na ta no I want it ta lo te mo no na ta ba do ba te kitchen mala na ka lo khi pe lo po no they will possess all the cities throughout the land the Lord your God is giving you tala no tabahi na no kasaya hilona le tikon benesikon awadi kamahawa we collection because of the suffering that your enemy will inflict on you during the searches you will eat the fruits of the womb the flesh of the son and the daughter the Lord your God has given to you no awani kasaya hina bakale tanya de pano le ta he tho le no phu ti pano no ba on no phu kwa ti pano even the most gentle and the sensitive no man among you we have no compassion no on his own brother or wife he love or his surviving children takala kase no compassion no le ta no ko ra lo anoka sala adopt we la no pagiten ma taka mo no when it pagite ma ta ti pa no and he will not give to one of them any of the flesh of children that you is eaten na pagiten ma that he eaten no ta lo awati oti pa ne awati ta he we sikola pagiten ma la apo li ti pa siko ba no ta ko ta ke ba we no it will be all that has left no pagiten ma less because of the severance your enemy with influence on your dream this is all that your city the most gentle sensitive woman among you no pane pakanyo pomu le ka portion no takuti no so sensitive and gentle that no she would not venture toss the ground with the sole of her foot we no begrudges the hundreds no hundreds she love and her own son or daughter no pagiter mana awa ke hini ke bakara awati no atalo ma ku wera tirpa no atalo e wera tirpa pumulo pu kwati tirpa ne no then after birth from her womb and he no the children she bear for she intend to eat them no secretly during the siege and in the distress that your enemy will inflict on you in your city. Now we did not pull all of Matine, pull all of that pull, no? I want to sick on it, no, but we did not do that sick on it, no? Come my house with the woman, no. if you do not carefully follow all the word of this law ဘယ်တဲ့မှာနော်နမေတဒုကနာတော့ပေါ်ထွေတိတိပပပါနေနော်တိတိပပပါနေအတေရနော် which are written in the books နော်အဝဲတာကွယ်ပါလေလီပူနေ and do not reveal this glorious and awesome name နော်ဘယ်တဲ့မှာလဲနတဲ့ကွာကဒါကီလေဘယ်တဲ့မှာနော်tas glorious နော်တာအော်တာလာတကပေါ်နော်ဘယ်တဲ့မှာ awesome name နေအမီလေအမီကြီးစကြီးနော် the Lord your God နော် you are ကစား the Lord will send fair နော် the Lord will send fair foods blessings on you and your descendants has and prolonges to sister at the service and the light during illness illness he will bring upon you all the disease of the Egypt that your dreaders and they will claim to you เนาะเวลาตาครอบล้วนดูกันหน้าวันเนี่ยเนาะเอาไว้นี่ตามาตาเลบริเตนมาเลก็บุตรผู้เตลพานี่ตาแค่สอรอกบะตากบะกินนะโอเคนี่เนาะ and they will claim to you เนาะเอาไว้กบะกินนะเนาะ the Lord will also bring on you your very kind of sickness and disease not recorded in this book of the Lord เนาะเปิดเจอมาเลยเนาะก็ใส่โอเคส่วนนั้นเลยบ้าขาเลยตัดสุดาซาเนาะ every kind เนาะบ้าขาเลยคู่ตากี่ชั้นนะชาดอตากระเจกตัวปาเตปาเคเลยคือสิมเนาะเออเตบเนาะ book of the Lord เนาะ in the book of the Lord until you are this story เนาะดูเรื่องนี้ก็มาตากบ้ามาหาวก่อนเนาะ you who wear and the nevers of the star in the sky will be left by few and number เนาะว่าเนาะเกล้าเนี่ยเกล้าเลือกเขาคู่บางทีเราเลือกมุขคู่เนาะบางทีพอหิวพอดัวเราไปตีบันเรากันได้แต่เศร้าก็พอติดผ่านเนี่ยเนาะเศร้าพอติดผ่านเนี่ยเนาะเราเพ่งเนี่ยกูจีได้แล้วสาดิสกันเนาะสาดิสกันแต่อารมณ์เนาะเออเดวินอารมณ์ because you did not obey the Lord your God แล้วครอบครัวเนี่ยแต่ดูกันน่าจวนในกษัตริย์นี่เนาะ just as is please the Lord to make your prosper and increase in number เนาะนับคือกันยาได้แล้วก็ใส่ยาแล้วก็บ้ามากินนะก็บ้ามาอาทกินน้อยนี่เนาะ so is we please him to ruin and destroy you เนาะภาษาหน้ากี่เราเนี่ยมีคือกันยาภาษาหน้ากี่เนี่ยเอาไว้นี่เนาะก็มาเข้าก่อนเนาะ you will be uprooted from the land you are entering to possess the Lord will scatter you among all nations from one end of the earth to the other. There you will worship other God. No, when takastelo no penino nakabuto barota budaba akam. No, God of wood and stone. No, we tell mala thedo. We tell mala lum. No, which neither you nor your father have known. No, we tell mala. When in not Kirosicora na Pagdana Naro Napati Patinya among those nations you will find no respite, no resting place for the soul of your foot. There the Lord will give you an anxious mind. Where will be longings and the despairing heart. You will live in a constant suspense, filled with the dread both night and day. When it get out, never sure your life. Never sure your life. In the morning, you will say, no muarone no negative no if only if where evening no when negative la teninyai no pagitana ma la chatmen thinya la muhala and in the evening if only is where morning no tala muhala negative la muchako because of the terror that will flesh your heart and the sight that you I will see no when it tap Tama Puira Tagi Takulan not what they through thought or when it started with two and wrong. The Lord will send you back in the ship to Egypt on the journey. I said you should never make again. There you will often yourself for sale your enemy as males and female slave, but no one will buy you. No one will buy you. No, but the point is no, but the mala started to pine no, but make it then a look I would do but the land but pushing a look kulo kwa a he no when you meet out disobey, not disobey God, no disobey God. Let us put out that disobey God is very important to every person. No, disobey God is curse a lot of things. Okay, curse a lot of things. We remember about that the God made in the ages so many disease and so many terrible thing. Okay, including the last thing is the firstborn dying. About in the Bible said about that, and then Israel is very pleased by God. Okay, Israel very pleased by God. The God take care everything uh, to Israel. Okay, Israel people. Israel is wonderful people. Okay, the God love them. The God take care of them. Okay, whatever they call to God, whatever they repent, the God want to come back. Every person repent to God. Okay, the God likes it. Whatever we are believe Christian, right? We know about the God and the God. This means we have to follow the Bible. We read Bible. We had to learn about so many the good thing, bad thing. No matter what, okay, we should be listen carefully. No? Let us put up you should be think about it. People told you it's not perfect. You have to read by yourself the better thing, more better thing by other people, right? You will guess it's sent to you. Thank you so much. I will see you later. Bye bye. Till I look in on